In this video, you'll learn how to add and adjust audio keyframes using the inspector so you can create smooth volume and pan changes over time in your project. We'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow so you can start applying this right away. First, make sure you have an audio clip on your timeline that you want to edit. Click once on that audio clip to select it. You should see it highlighted, confirming that it's the active clip you're working with. This is important because the inspector will always show the settings for whatever clip is currently selected. If you don't have the right clip selected, the controls you're changing won't affect the audio you intend. Next, open the inspector. You'll usually find this as a panel on the side of your editing interface. If you don't see it, look for an inspector button or option in the interface and toggle it on. Once it's open, you should see properties for your audio clip, including options like volume and pan. Volume controls how loud the clip is, and pan controls whether the sound leans more to the left, the right, or stays centered in the stereo field. To start working with keyframes, look for the small diamond icon next to volume or pan. This diamond is your keyframe button. When you click it, you're telling the software to remember the current setting at the current point in time on your timeline. Think of a keyframe as a snapshot. It records the value of a setting such as volume level at a specific frame. Click the diamond next to volume to add your first keyframe. You may notice the diamond becoming filled in, or you might see a small keyframe marker appear in the timeline or in a graph area, depending on your software. If you'd like to animate panning as well, you can repeat the same process with the diamond next to pan. Now it's time to create changes over time. Move your playhead to a new position in the timeline. The playhead is the vertical line that shows where you are in your clip as you play or scrub through it. Position it where you want the audio to start changing or where you want a different volume or pan level. With the playhead in the new position, adjust your volume or pan values in the inspector. For example, you might lower the volume to create a fade out or shift the pan slightly to the left for a creative effect. As soon as you change the value while the playhead is at that new position, a new keyframe is created automatically. You don't need to click the diamond again each time. The software detects that you've changed a setting and records a new keyframe at that point in time. Repeat this process as needed. Move the playhead to another moment. Tweak the volume